If your arms are tired after just 20 minutes of riding, that means you're fighting the machine. Most people think the Spyder is just heavy or twitchy, but the truth, you're probably just riding it like a motorcycle. In this video, I'll talk about the one shift in your body position that will make this bike feel like it's on rails. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin, low budget Spyder rider, and in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make this machine click. Now let's start with turning. When we think of turning on a regular bike, the machine leans and gravity holds us in place. But on the Spyder, it stays dead flat. Because there's no lean, physics wants to eject you towards the outside of the road. And if you stay stiff here, you're going to feel like you're losing control. The secret to this, you have to lean your heart toward the inside mirror. You're the one doing the leaning, not the bike. Now this is where body positioning will come into play. Your lower body should stay stable, like you're triangulating. You're pressing your outside foot into the floorboard as hard as you can. This anchors your hips. Once your lower half is locked in, your upper body is free to steer, without feeling like you're about to slide off the seat. This changes the ride from scary to planet instantly. Now that we've got turning down and we got our body position set, let's talk about one of the most important techniques, and that's our grip. Most new riders death grip the bars because they feel the wheels hunting for grooves. The Spyder has a wide track. It reads the pavement, so that feeling is normal. Just stay relaxed and interpret the flow of the ride. If your arms are stiff, you're actually amplifying every bump, which can make the ride uncomfortable. Relax your elbows, let the bars wiggle a little. Our input should be steady and smooth, not rapid or jerky. The bike knows how to stay straight, you just have to let it. Now at the beginning of the video, I said I'd tell you the secret to making the bike feel like it's riding on rails. And here it is, this simple but effective technique. It's all in how you steer. Steer this isn't like a bike, it's more like a snowmobile. Don't try to pull the handlebars toward you. Instead, push the outside bar away from you. Pushing gives you way more leverage and keeps your shoulders square. When you push the bar while leaning your body, the Spyder suddenly feels like it's on rails. Body movement is everything when riding a Spyder. It's like a waltz with a finely refined riding machine. Smooth, deliberate inputs. You're not anticipating the next move. You're simply enjoying the experience while you're riding. Because here's something you've got to understand about a Spyder. It's built to be stable. You're not balancing it like a motorcycle, so you don't need to overcorrect or panic adjust while you're riding. A lot of riders are still riding it like a bike in their mind when they do this. And that's where the tension comes from. Once you trust that the Spyder is planned, you stop overthinking every movement and start being more relaxed. Because when you relax, everything starts to click. Your steering becomes smoother, your turns feel more natural, and you're not getting fatigued as quickly. And most importantly, you feel confident. And confidence changes everything when you're riding. So stop second guessing and you start enjoying it. Because being relaxed on a Spyder isn't just about comfort, it's the foundation of riding it correctly. If you fix this first, everything else becomes easier. Because once you master these techniques, you move from simply steering to flowing. You stop overcorrecting the bars and start using a light push-pull technique. A gentle nudge on the inside, a steady pull on the outside. The darty feeling vanishes because your hands have finally learned to relax. You realize the Spyder isn't a beast to be tamed, it's a precision tool waiting for a light touch. And once the technique is in your marrow, the tech starts working for you. You trust the nanny. That's the vehicle's stability system, to keep the two front wheels glued to the pavement. You stop staring 3 feet in front of the nose and start looking 200 yards through the exit of the curve. Because you aren't worried about balance, you have the mental bandwidth to actually see the road. The easy part isn't just about the three wheels, it's about the total lack of fatigue. You can ride 500 miles and step off the seat feeling like you just took a walk around the block. And that's the master's glide. It's the moment the machine disappears and it's just you and the apex. No more death grips, no more second guessing the lean, just pure, stabilized adrenaline. You aren't just operating the Spider anymore, you're wearing it. The road ahead isn't a challenge to survive, it's a rhythm to play. Gear up, look through the turn, and let it flow. The learning curve is over. The ride has officially begun. And it's in that moment where it all just clicks. You stop overthinking things, you begin to relax your grip, and suddenly you realize you have all the freedom of a bike with the rock solid stability of a luxury performance machine. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and continue riding with me on my Spider ownership journey. I have more Spider ownership videos coming as we continue to live for the experience and definitely enjoy the ride. Peace.